Good day, everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make money online using Avizo. If this is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on the video, and please share it. And please subscribe. So, I'll show you how to make money online using Avizo. As in, you have to, all what you just have to do is do like completed tax on Avizo, and that's how you start earning your money on. So you earn in rupees, not in dollars. So you can either convert it to dollar. So that's how you earn money. So what are the tasks to do once I earn money on app? So you like you complete tax. Is the number one question how you can earn money. And then suppose another one is all the cost of it. Letters, test, into BK. So contents from referral, so and referral bonus. So these are what you can do to earn money on apps. So first thing I have to do is like mostly I like doing some stuff like it will be very easy. It's one of the simplest way you can quick anyone. As you can see, subscribe to the channel and so you can do subscription. Can see, this is the subscription stuff. So let's go to the subscription. Let me show you how to earn on Advocate. So please can you please watch this video to the end. Please don't skip anything. So click on it. And first thing you have to do is always make sure you already have a YouTube account already. Make sure you have a YouTube account already. Like I just need to make use of the Gmail to create one. Then you can start complete tasks on YouTube stuff like this. Then click on start execution. So it's just and this can also be completed on using your mobile phone. So you copy the link first if you want to subscribe to if you want to subscribe to the channel and complete the task, make sure you copy this link first. Then after that, come down here and click on go to YouTube. Then you paste the link in the search bar. Then search for it. So what the video look like. So this is the video. So that's a good cover. So just make sure you click on it. So click on subscribe. That's all. Then what next do? Then come back. That's 30.2K subscribers. So they want to confirm whether you've already subscribed to the channel. So they ask you some questions. So you go back to the where you click on the execute the mission. Then it asks for like how many subscribers. So let's check back again. They click to so it's around 33,000 to 34,000 subscribers. So you click on it. Then click on check. Taking into account the back 0.29 is updated to your account. So the system will check the subscription again in 1 day. As you can see. So you are done completing this task now. So let's just refresh my page. Let's see that as you can see. No, it was 0.05 before, so as you can see now, I've been created like that. So that's how you can complete tasks on Amazon, and it is very easy. You can earn more than $10 per day if you keep doing completing tasks everything like that. So that's another way you can earn more. So and to build money, make use of cryptocurrency and some other payment method also. So let's click on so, so let's do another one again like this. can see that's expensive. So like I'm going just go there and do it. So let's do stuff. So you can also complete tasks by watching video. So let me show you how to do it. So this part. So let me just say that I think it is written network. So in case you can also try and watch the video then you'll be created after watching the video. The video is just like 10 seconds. When you're done watching the video for like 10 seconds, you need to automatically direct you back to your page to where that says at the end of the month. So that's how it works. So if you enjoy my video, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and share my video. And please subscribe. I'll be sharing more related video on how to make money online. So in case, make sure you subscribe to my channel to get updates on my new video. Good day. Thanks for watching.